Hello everyone, we hope you are doing well. I and Ms. Shamira welcome you in our fourth PE class of term 3. Today we start with the warm-up first. A warm-up head to toe stretching. Hands on the waist, neck circling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other way round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down, shoulder circling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other way around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet more apart. Side to side stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Another side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Up. Hands on the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. This time toe touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Feet more apart. Alternate toe touching with opposite hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stop. Okay, now skip jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stop. Okay, it was our today's warm up. Now,
Okay, students, well done. Now I think you are quite warmed up. Okay, students, now we are ready for our today's activity. Our today activity name is Sweet Box PE Shed. In this activity, we have 4 levels. In each level, we have 4 activities. One is a running around the circle, second burpee, then we have a bend and shoot, fourth is jumping jack. Okay, students, and for the demo of this activity, over to Mr. Akram.
okay, students, as Mrs. Shamira said that today we have 4 levels. Each level is same but number of activities are different. In level 1 we are doing 1 time each activity. In level 2, 2 times. Level 3, 3 times. Level 4, 4 times. Okay. For level 1 demonstration is, this is the circle. We are going to run around the circle. 1 round. After running in the circle, then next is burpee. This is burpee. Then bend and shoot, and fourth is jumping jack. Okay, this is our demonstration.
Okay, well done. Okay, now students, in each level we have activity and then we have 30-second rest. After each level. Okay, for level 1, get ready, start.
Burpee, bend, shoot, jumping jacks.
Okay, good. Okay, now we are going move on our level 2. Each activity, we have 4 activity, each activity 2 times. Okay, get ready, start.
One, two, now 2 burpee. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Good. Okay, after 30-second rest, now we are moving level 3. Each activity 3 times. Ready? Start.
One, two, three burpees. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay, now we are going to start our level 4. 4 activities, each activity 4 times. Get ready, students. Okay, start.
One, two, three, four. 4 burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend, shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, well done. Excellent, students. Now we are going to start our last session, that is cool down. Over to Mr. Akram.
Okay, cool down is really important after exercises. Basically, these are some different stretches, and after doing these stretches, your muscle come in the normal position, and your flexibility remains same. Okay, now is stretching. We do long breathing. Breath in, breath out. Right in. Side to side. Now cool down, we do slow stretching. Okay, feet apart, back down, cross, and move your trunk up and down. Keep breathing, breath in, breath out. lesson, and see you in next video with the new exercises. Take care. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.
Bye students. Have a nice time.